all of us are Christians. Amen? Matata, no? Hindi sila to different denominations. May Catholic, Padre, may Catholic. Protestant. Protestant, Catholic, Adventist. So, we are very fortunate that we know God. Na yung ban, but the God that we serve, the God that we worship, is our dwelling place in all generations. The word ng daan ng generation, from generation to generation. This Psalm 90 opens with this word generation. Kung saan mabutan sa mga ng generation? Ano ba natin yung generation ng bata? Ano ba natin? May kayo kultura? O dahil natin sa mga generation? Siguro, no? And ito sa balaod na terminology na natin